The same thing will happen in the cyber attack. Like in your existing stuff, something will happen, and and you were unable to manage that. What happened? And they will do the impact. So just now the same thing happened with our meeting. So that's why we need to be more secure. Secure means our Zoom meeting should be more secure, with the multiple options, mute, unmute, video sharing. These all things should be disabled. Okay, so this is actually lesson learned for our team. So they will take care of thing. Okay, so let's get started. Myself, Mohammed Nadeemoddin. I am a senior IT engineer, more than 10 plus of years experience in uh, network and security domain. Now moving towards the automation and the cloud. I have experience working in Dubai, USA, then KSA, and right now working for the Hyderabad. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, I got good exposure. I started my career from very basic stuff, and now Alhamdulillah, currently I am working as a principal engineer. It is like an architect. Okay, and apart from this, I'm very much attached with the social activities. I do a lot of career guidance, job assistance every year. Like um, I participate. I try to make people their profiles, and I try to assist to get the job. Okay, so let's because this is a new. Let's get started from base again. Okay, so just now what we discussed before moving to the resume, what we discussed, the prerequisite. Okay, prerequisite, you need a mobile number, you need a Gmail ID. Okay, then you need a certificate soft copy, you need a passport size soft copy. Then skills, whatever the skills you have, your experience. Just now I will talk about the experience. Like you can get any experience and don't go for the fake. Just be genuine everywhere. Then position applying for whichever year, and then you can move to the your resume. So resume, we were just looking like the resume should be something like this. Many patterns you can search on the Google what type of resume it is. So you can put the same. You can use any resume, but don't be. It should not be a fresher resume. See, the fresher resume is something very simple, but you are showing your 1 to 2 years experience, guys. Okay, so let's say for the IT support, name your designation, email, mobile number, and then some objective. Then area of expertise, you need to read this like whatever the technical expertise you know. See, troubleshooting of the computer, hardware and networking, troubleshooting of the printer problems, troubleshooting of the LAN problems. You can mention these also. These are the areas of expertise. Okay. Then assignment. See, assignment is something called your work experience. So this is like a table form. So the first will be the current organization. Okay. Let's say my first assignment company. Currently, I'm working for the XYZ company. My client is. If you have a client, then put. Otherwise, leave it. So and technology. What are the technology you're working? Desktop, LAN, WAN, connectivity, and all. What is your role? IT support engineer. And duration. So when you started, I started like July 2018 till date. Till date means what? Till date means you are still working here. Okay, till date. And responsibilities and activities. See, this thing is you need to understand. See now, just I will just try to explain. See, attending technical help desk call, understanding user issues and providing immediate solution. See, this can be happen anytime. So you are providing a, see, you are a support engineer. You are providing help to the people, right? Help what? Their technical problem. Close 95% ticket, trouble ticket. So generally, what will happen in company? There will be a ticketing tool. Okay, so if I have a problem, if my printer is not working, my internet is not working, my email is not working, Outlook is not working. So in a like middle organization or large organization where you have thousands of users, so you cannot go and talk to everyone. Hey, my problem. I have a problem. What to do? So there should be some problem, or there should be some centralized thing, right? So there will be a ticketing tool. So every user will have access to that. So they will just browse that. So in that ticket will be there. So they will create an incident, and they will write down my printer is not working. Some description in that their machine ID and their where they are sitting, their workstation IDs and all this will be written, and they will submit. So what will happen? That ticket will go to the support guys. It will come to you guys. Okay, and you need to see that. Okay, I got the ticket, so it will be there. So you can call that guy. You can not a mobile number in the company. There will be internal calls, or you can there will be Skype. We use like WhatsApp we ping, right? Similarly, in organization, Skype will be there. Outlook will use for the emails. So they will ping you what's the problem. So maybe you can call, you can visit them, and you think you can solve the problem. Okay, so like this. So maintain the support system, workstation, mobile devices, printer devices, peripheral. Peripheral means any device. Response to user service request, resolve the trouble ticket, ensure system security, desktop and environment. So everything should be work for them. Okay, so like this, some points you can monitor, like detect hardware failures. So detect hardware failure on the user machine and assign ticket to a private team and a replacement. Let's say you are unable to solve that ticket. So what you will do, you will escalate it. Maybe the RAM is failed, the hard disk is failed, monitor is gone. So you need to purchase that, right? So there will be procurement team. You will assign, you will put your analysis and you will reassign that ticket to the another team. So they will take care of that. So like this escalate. If anything, escalation means what? Escalation means if you're unable to solve, see in the organization there will be hierarchy. You're on L1, you're L2, L3, L4. So the L1 will have some role and responsibility. You cannot have access to everything. So you will just do the initial thing. If you're unable to solve, then you will escalate to the L2 in that particular time. See the wasting of time. Like there is something called SLA. I will take some lecture sometime on ITIL. So it is like very useful in the ITIL, like the how the organization set, what is the escalation point, what are the teams, like what are tools, everything is there. Okay, so we will have a separate discussion on that. But today we are talking about the resumes and all. So see, you can put whatever you do. Coordinate with the cabling team for pulling the replacement, new fiber, copper network cables. If you have one building to another building, you're coordinating there. Then working with the ISP in case of internet MPLS connection slowness. See if your internet is having slowness, see if your home Wi-Fi down, what you will do? You will call the ISP, right? So similarly, we do the in the organization. So nothing new. Tracking network cable testing. Okay, there will be a testing cable, LAN cable. You need to see the is it correct or not. So participating in client meeting. There will be daily meetings and all. So we do this. Okay, so this is one of the profile. So I'm giving you idea. Okay, and you can put whatever you think. Okay, see, this is something you can put. Okay, this is important. Very good. Assignment 2. So company like XYZ. Okay, you can put any company. The client, regional colleges, institutes, hospitals and banks. Okay, so let's say there are some organization like last time we met with Mubin sir, you remember? So Mubin sir, what he has his own business. What he do, he take a projects like some labs, college lab, hospital labs. He go there and he install their all computers, their networks, and he will take a service SLA, like a service level agreement. So if maintenance agreement. So if anything happen, they will call him, and he will go and troubleshoot that problem. So like this small organization, like you can have LAN WAN. So this is applicable for system support engineer, IT support engineer, desktop support engineer, network engineer. Okay, you can put this role for all. So you can start like whenever, like say uh, from where you started, 6 month duration, 8 months. If you have 6 months, then say like if you have 1 plus experience, just write down 1 plus experience. So from where till date. Okay, if suppose you're showing this one, then till date, like you started this year, and to the 20, if you started in 2019, till date you are working here. So what is the responsibility? See, visiting customer site, gathering requirement and providing solution to the new network. See, you have you're working for, this is a field support engineer. Okay, like you will get call, and they will say, okay, we want to build a network lab. Okay, our lab. So what you do, visiting the customer site, gathering requirement and providing solution to the new networks. Participating in planning, designing, implementation of new network setup. So at the lab, there will be racks, tables required, how many systems required, how many cables required. So these all called planning, designing, where will be sitting, from where the maintenance ISP will be there, everything. Then daily administration and maintenance of existing customer and desktop. So there will be daily admin. If you get a call, see, there are some jobs, it will be call based. You will get a call, you need to rush to the customer. Okay, there are some jobs you need to sit and remotely you can support them. Okay, there are some job you can sit and you will get a call, You need to support on call only. So multiple profiles are there. Okay. So providing on call hands and feet support. Hands and feet support means you need to visit there. First try to call customer and see what the problem. Sometime as I told, they will not on the monitor, but they will say my computer is not working. So you need to guide them. You need to understand what exactly the problem. Are you seeing the light on the computer? Are you seeing the what is the CPU? Is it working? So he will say, no, there is no power. So can you just see the power is connected? Yes. Oh, it came back. See, your visit is saved. You say you solve the problem. So understand the situation. Try to understand from the base. Go from the L1, L2 cabling. Like for the PC, just see the power is there, CPU is on, monitor is coming, lights are there. So just go from down. Just do not go directly what the biggest problem. Just go from the smaller things. Okay. Then configure change network devices. If you you can able to configure the switches, router, firewall. Then participate in team meetings. See, every company will have a team meeting, and we provide the updates and project updates, what's going on and all. Working with ISP, and if your internet connection fail, we work with them. Then working with vendor on hardware failure. If any hardware fail, we work with them. Coordinate with site support team in case of physical verification if something is required. So you can work with them. So like this is your experience. Okay. So what we did first. Your name, mobile number, and all, then career objective, then your area of expertise. So you are expert in computers, hardware. Okay, you're expert in computer troubleshooting. You're expert in computer networking. You're expert in server administration. Okay, so just write down the topics what you know. You know the DNS, just put there. You know the DSCP, just put there. You know the Active Directory. See, this is Active Directory is very important for the IT support. That's why the Mamshad sir, I think he's teaching you the Active Directory. So see, can you see knowledge on server, Active Directory, Exchange, DNS, DSCP, FTP, syslog, triple NTP. So see, no one will ask you just go and install the server. They will ask you, do you know the Active Directory? Do you know how to create the user? Do you know how to disable the user? So this thing is required. You must know, in the LAN there will be server based LAN, and there will be peer to peer and server client. So you must know about that. Server means what? 2016 we install on that server, right? So like this. This is the then you write the experience where you are working, what you are working. Okay. Then your qualification. Okay, if you have whatever your qualification, just highlight if you have first distinction and whatever the university you have degree, and then personal information, your male, female, then your ability, and then local address. That's it. This is a basic profile for anyone having 0 to 2 years experience. I can say this 14 guys. Okay, out of the 14, or maybe 10 guys. They if you are a fresher, okay, and if you are looking for the job, then you can even refer this resume. Okay, just remove the points which you don't know. Just remove the, okay, if you are not good in, remove this point, remove this point. Okay. And company, just as I told you, just try any small organization. See, if there any institute is there, is there any college, school is there, just tell them I will help you to in the computers, I will help you to lab. So don't just look for the salary in the first. Okay, just try to get experience, because you need to show that I am working here. Okay. So you need to prepare these and your responsibilities and all detail. That's it. Okay, once you prepare, so this is for the IT supporting. Okay. Then I have some more resume. Network, let's say network engineer. So network engineer means what? When you learn the CCNA and all, so still see, you can put the right side, you can put your resume. Okay. Your logo and all, and you can put whatever the area of expertise, routing expertise, switching expertise, knowledge on this one, NAT, excellent, this one. Then configure installation. See, installation, configuration, Microsoft servers, Linux and all. Configuration and maintenance of Active Directory, DSCP, DNS, IEEE. See, these all are the servers. So this is a network and security profile, right? So you can put your education qualification, then your international certification. If you have done the certification like Microsoft certification, your Cisco certification, you will have ID here. You need to put that. Okay, ID. And then the then experience. Okay. See, The network engineer or network administrator, both are same. Okay, so you're having 2.2 expert. What is your roles and responsibility? Daily administration of maintenance, Cisco routers, switches, and all. Configuring, troubleshooting LAN, WAN, management, configuration, network printer, resolving users computer for laptop and LAN related issues, coordinating with the system team regarding AD means active directory, DSCP, coordinating with the ISP, taking requirement from the client and providing their solution, providing support to client network on call. See, remote and premise remote, providing call, remote and premise support visit as per requirement. See, the support, what type of support you are providing? Network support on to the client. First, call. The second is remote. You can take any remote session. Okay, then premises direct, you're visiting them, right? Providing training to users, like performing requirement analysis regular interval, what are the problems are coming, and opening the tag and all. See how simple resume it is. Okay, and what are the hardwares, you can put down, it will more British. And finally personal information and all. Okay, so see the uh, similar thing is for what is called um, system engineer. In the system engineer, if you are applying first, in the right side there will be Microsoft certification. If you have that will put a more weightage. But CCNA certification, it will take, I think, if you go for CCNA certification, 25,000 some dollars. It will be 25,000 it will require. For Microsoft certification, one certification, some five to 8,000 are required. So initially, like for 1 to 2 years experience, no one is look for this certificate. So that's the problem. Actually, the people do the mistake. They do the just course and they do a 50,000. They spend 50,000 for the certification, but that is not required in initially. Okay, the first thing first, you get the job, first entry. Okay, so in the same resume, you can put instead of network engineer, system engineer, and put all whatever the server information you learn. Okay, now if you guys, for this job course, what you learn, you learn the computer hardware and networking, whatever you learn, just put here. Then you learn the servers, whatever you learn, put here. Then you will learn the routing and switching, just put there. Then you will learn the AWS and all, you will whatever expertise knowledge you put here. And this is qualification, and this one is important. This is not a mandatory. Okay, for the starting, I'm telling you, this is not a mandatory. Okay, because it required some cost, but remaining the professional experience, this is very important, guys. This is, you have to do something. Okay, the experience, you need to put some organization name here. You're working somewhere, then only your experience will count. Okay, and just put the profile uh, in very simple language. Okay, so this is applicable for network and system engineer. So similarly, network and support engineer, so let's say it's a combination of both the profiles. Okay, it's a combination of both profile. So like the same thing, see here, you can put multiple. If you have certification, then you can put on the right side, on the top. Then routing, switching, security technology, data center, whatever the expertise. Then your professional experience, can you see the higher experience, higher certification, higher technologies expertise required. See, he have multiple experiences. And see, start with the in education certification, start with technologies. See, then the degree. See, degree is the least important here, right? If you have a BTech, no, I'm a BTech, give me the job. No, do you know the routers, do you know the switches? Then leave it. So similarly, you need you need to put this on the top. So do you understand this degree? What we learn doesn't matter. BTech, BCA, so this is just a gate pass. Okay, this is a get pass of this one. But what you learn, this is, you have to give the interview here. Okay, then professional, so then again, the mixed profile. So duration is, see, this is 1.5 years experience. So you can, this is a mixed profile. What you do, see, PPP private limited Hyderabad. Okay, this is just an example, I'm telling you. So you can just put whatever the small organization you have. Don't go, and I'm telling you, don't go for the fake. Okay, don't go for the fake experience. There are many people, they will say, will give you fake experience, and your ID will be there, your pay slip and all. So don't tell them, don't require that. Just be genuine. Okay, just try to help, like in a lab, in a small institute, in small colleges, somewhere. Okay, put that name and tell them, you can you give me the experience? They will give you. Okay, you work for the free of cost, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. Okay, no problem for the initial. But few organizations, they will give you some small token amount also. Take that. Okay, and start your job, and don't waste the time. Get start learning, and so that is nothing but then your experience. Whatever you learn, you have to explain. So planning, designing, implementation of new project, daily admission, maintenance, routers, switches, then support troubleshooting LAN, WAN, VPN issues, then network devices like this one, then checking health traffic and escalating L2 ticketings. So this is some. Okay, can you see participating in team meeting, Cisco tag, and support person in case of physical verification, network analysis, and providing new training. Okay, and here see you put more whatever you know, routers, switches, hardware, servers and all. You can put this. So you can put Active Directory if you have Active Directory information, DNS, DSCP. You can put those things here. So this is the pattern, okay, which you need to follow that. So and for the experience guys, the same thing. Higher the experience, your resume will be the higher. Okay, so the certification should be there, and your profile should be there. You receive multiple things will be there. See, you have three different organization, and you can work here. So guys, you these are the samples: IT support engineer, network engineer, network and support engineer. Then this is the same applicable for the system engineer. So I will share you in the group, so you can start preparing your resume. Okay, you just need to change your name, number, and all, and just try to understand what you are writing in the skills. Okay, then what is the next? Next, your resume is ready. Go to the monster. Okay, monsterindia.com. So this is a free registration. See, this is a key. This is the place where you are going to upload your resume. So it will be seen by all the organizations. Okay, so register via Facebook, register via Google. It is up to you. Okay, but always create a new one. Let's say I'm not going to create the entire, but just I'm giving an example. Mohammed, let's say, uh, because I'm not looking for a job now, because I'm already on the job. Next is MD4. Okay, so password you can put password anything what you want. Okay, then mobile number. See the mobile number which I told you. Okay, so this is actually recording, so you can put the mobile number and your current location, total experience, how much your experience. See, zero experience, 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 3 years, so on. So let's say you have 1 year experience. Put the 1 year experience. Okay, how many months? 1 year, 6 month experience, 5 months experience I have. Okay, then the current location. Current location is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. See, the option came here. Uh, okay, so this is actually I cannot put my mobile number now. Okay, key skills. Okay, can you see immediate available due situation? Immediate, yes, I'm available. Skill set. So this is important. Let's say networking. Just search here. Can you see network? Networking. Then desktop support. Let's say help desk. Uh, IT support. Can you see IT support? Then system engineer. System engineer. See, system engineer. So whatever the profile just put your skills. Okay. Then your current industry where you are looking. See, there are some star means the mandatory, and when you don't have a star, don't put the not required. Then upload your resume. Choose a file. Whatever the file you have, just choose it from your computer. Okay, and put it there. Okay, then work experience, if you put the next, so you need to go for the next detail. So I will just put something. Okay, next. Okay, preferred industry is something I will put. Then what else? Here also I will put something. Okay, next, who what is this again? Uh, so, okay, for 10 digits. This is not mobile number, my mobile number. So, yeah, neighbor. See, login the same. Leave it. Why it is not going further? Okay, now it's going to the next page. Oh, this email is already registered with us. Please register using different email ID. Okay, so you just follow. You follow just because your resume is actually main thing. Okay, once you create the resume, then you need to upload that. Then whatever the field you understand, your experience and all, just put that. So see, guys, it will take hardly 1 hour to prepare everything. And similarly on the monster, naukri.com, put here you will create two profiles. So once you create the profile, see where you need to verify. These portals will ask you to verify your mobile number. So until unless you verify, it will show you some error there. So they will send you the message, you need to put the OTP, then it will be registered. So register mobile should be registered here, your email should be accessible, and the position what you're applying. Let's say the heading you can put like 2 years experience in IT support, okay, or um, network engineer, 2 years experience network engineer, 1 year experience network domain, something like that. So something catchy word. You can right side you will have an option there to what format you're looking for. You just start it. I will show you inshallah in the coming session. But you need to start it. Everyone should upload the monster, prepare the resume, upload the monster and okay. Okay, this is the mandatory thing. Then pre-requirement. Like once you're done, okay, once done, what post upload, what you need to do. See, daily 1 hour on job portals. So you need to give daily 1 hour on the job portals. Okay, what you need to do, see, daily just edit something, maybe some small dot, remove that dot, and not in resume, in the portal. So what will happen when you save that? So in the right side it will return that last updated. Okay, let's say you did it today, so last updated today. So what will happen tomorrow? HR, they will have their own login. So when they log in and they will search for the support engineer, so your resume will be on top. So if you don't edit on the portal, so your resume will be in down. So this is a mistake where a student do. So I asked him, sir, I put on my resume on Monster, I never get a call. See, so when you updated last, I think 1 2 months back, so your resume might be in the down. So you need to go on daily basis, okay, and don't expect a frequent call, that because it depends on the market. Sometimes the market will slow. Don't try at the time of June, March, April, the financial ending, that time the calls will be slow. At the time of December, the calls will be slow. Some festival season and all, you can expect that. But there are some, you have a requirement, um, the calls will come. Okay, so don't be, keep trying, keep changing on something on the portal, because this is only the paper which you have. Okay, then daily edit something, keep checking your emails. Okay, then say always yes. Okay, if you get a call, so are you ready for night shift? Yes. Are you ready for this salary? Yes. Are you ready for this one, this location? Yes. Just say yes, everything, any location. See, for starting job, starting career, don't put conditions. Okay, don't say and while interested job, just put anywhere there. Don't just look for a Hyderabad job. Okay, because maybe your first job could be in Bangalore. See, this is the IT world. Just work there 1 year, come back to Hyderabad. Work here, Chennai, Delhi, Noida, there are IT in Pune, Mumbai, multiple options. So don't narrow yourself just for the Hyderabad base. I have seen a student like this. They narrow their self, like I'm looking for Hyderabad jobs only. So see, so when you restrict yourself, so only Hyderabad jobs. How many Hyderabad IT support, desktop support, technical support, network support, system support job will come? Instead of that, if you put anywhere, so in Bangalore, 5 job position open today. Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So you will get multiple calls, multiple emails, right? And just say always yes. See, remember this point. When you put, you will start getting calls, emails. So just say yes always. Are you ready for interview? Yes, I'm ready now. Are you ready for face-to-face round? Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready for a Zoom call? Yes, I'm ready. Don't give your, because you're your first job. Okay, so you need to say yes for everything. And once you get the job, get some experience, 3 years, 4 years, get certification, do multiple projects and all, then you will be in position that you will say to HR, I want this salary. I will work from this location. I want I will work from this time to this time. See, I remember one डायलॉग फ्रॉम, आप लोग अगर पीके देखे होंगे तो उसमें एक डायलॉग है कि सक्सेस के पीछे मत जाओ, एक्सेलेंस को लेकर आओ. इफ यू हैव एक्सेलेंस, सक्सेस विल कम बिहाइंड यू. Okay, don't go look for the success. How? And parallelly, very important point, during searching the job, I will tell you, keep learning. Keep learning. ठीक है, कीप लर्निंग. आप कुछ ना कुछ, लाइक यू शुड लर्न थिंग्स. Okay, if you know, if you already learn here, in our course you learn computer hardware, networking, servers, Cisco and AWS, and then look for the YouTube is the big weapon. I learned many technologies on the YouTube. It's a free. And just go for one channel and complete the attend the full course. Don't just search something, so you will, it will divert you many in many places. So just search one course and complete that course, take the notes. So keep learning, give the at least 2 hours, 3 hours to you. So guys, searching job, it is not easy. Okay, for starting you will have you need to have one more important point, I will write: patience. Is it spelling right? Okay. So if it is not okay, so patience, sabr. I will write in Urdu also. Sabr. Sabr आपको करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, if you don't have patience, then don't get frustrated yourself. Calls नहीं आ रहे, email नहीं आ रहे, तो बेकार होगा सब करके, डिग्री करके बेकार. The family will pressurize you, your parents will pressurize you, your neighbors, your father's friend, they will tell, what happened, your son is engineer, right? Is he doing job? They will look someone, oh, he got the job, he is in somewhere, what you are doing. So don't get frustrated yourself. That is why, if you want to avoid the frustration, that's why I always suggest, start some small job. Okay, if you're not okay, your IT industry, that is your dream job, but starting you don't get job, just go for local papers. There will be n number of training institute, they need assistance, they need some help, guys, they need something. So just make yourself busy. Maybe do the part-time job, don't first job, don't go for the as I told, don't go for okay, and don't just freeze yourself, when I am get network designation, then only I am going to start the job. See, you need to, don't narrow down yourself. First, if you want to avoid the frustration, just do any job, anywhere, institute, any repairing shop, any maintenance job, something. In the Deccan paper, you will see in the local ad, you will see computer and technology, and you will see many jobs there. Amirpet, or high tech city, or in Tolichuk, there are many jobs will be there. So just start that job. The small salary will be small, but you will have a job. You will have some job, and your family asks, okay, what your son is doing? He is doing job. Okay, but small salary. So I remember one of my teacher, he always tell that don't look for the boys, don't look for their salary. Just say, just look for, are they doing job or not. If yes, their salary is small, tomorrow the salary will increase. But are they doing job or not? That is the first step. Okay, just don't narrow down yourself, I want 20,000, 50,000 per month starting. No. See, there will be every experience plus the market level. So hire the technology, get the job. Okay, upgrade yourself, upskill yourself, and ask for the next position. Okay, so these are the things which I was looking for. And the final, LinkedIn profile. So you need to create the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile. I will just go through this one. So okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile, and here you can say about yourself. Okay, so whatever things you have, or you work in, where, what is your qualification, this all thing you can put here. Okay, discard. I don't know. Then you can put similarly, what else, your experiences. Okay, what you work, how many years you work, what was your job profile and all. You can work your education. Okay, then your certifications. Okay, what are the certification? Then volunteer experience, then some endorsements, some awards, what you have. Okay, accomplishment and awards, you can write down those things. Okay, you're interested in what. So just put this one. Okay, once you create the basic profile, then see, just search if you are looking for the job. So let's say Hyderabad, uh, fresh, okay, jobs, IT jobs, just search here. So there will be, you just search here, so something you will get. Okay, opening for voice engineer, Hyderabad location, can you see? And when one day ago, it came one day ago, job opening for VoIP network engineer, network engineer, can you see it? 1 month ago. Just see here, and save it and apply. Okay, so this is just an example I am telling you. So like this is also good weapon, and here you can have friends with n number of people. Okay, just there will be lot of HRs will be there. You just search them. So what will happen? Oh, just try to create your friends, n number of friends. So when you have friends, like, and this is the platform, here you will not see any non-technical stuff. This is pure technical platform. This is pure technical platform where you will see lot of learning. So if any HRs they have something, this is not something Facebook or something you are putting the selfie and all. Okay, so say Facebook is totally different, LinkedIn is totally different. Okay, LinkedIn it is a professional website. So today or tomorrow you have to do this. And here can you see who viewed your profile? See, 124 people in last 1 week they view my profile. Okay, so if I check, so they will tell you the growth. Can you see? October, November, December, till, see, in December it was on peak. 44 people views. Why? Maybe the holiday season. People they were searching. So they got this one. So and you will also see who looked you, who saw you. Okay, and you can message them, connect them, and you can follow whatever you want. Like so connect n number of people every day. And just and always look, install, like WhatsApp is a social. Similarly, LinkedIn, install the LinkedIn, and see here you will have lot of new learning here, lot of new things here, what technology is going and what is the market things are going. Some good slogans you will see before and after. Before CCI and after CCI. Okay, so like this many posts. So this is totally based on the technical. Okay, you will learn a lot of things like this. There are many groups are there. You can join those groups and all. Okay, so the guys, monster. Okay, so let's quickly recap and close this session. What we learn, like you are going to prepare this yourself today. Okay, pre-requirement, these are your requirement. Okay, and we already and once then prepare your resume, and then prepare, put it on the monster Naukri profile, create the profile there, and do this thing on daily basis. Okay, and keep patience and keep waiting for the calls. Okay, and update me, like maybe next week I will have another lecture. So I'm going to interact with you guys. So whatever our team, so who not join, so they can view this video and they can prepare their resume and all. So I'm going to ask, I'm going to take your ask your name, and you need to say have you uploaded and not or not. You can share your screen and you can show if you have some problem or not. So like this we will start, but you need to start. See, this is very easy. It is not a like super complex. This is very easy. You can start it. Okay, so that's it. So any questions? I will have 5 minutes to for the questions to answer you. Any challenges you have here, you can unmute yourself, I think, or may and ask the questions. So there are two possibilities. If there is no questions, then you understand 100%. If there is no question, you did not understand anything. It was bouncer. So,
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walim sir, yeah.
Sir, yeah, like whatever points you have said, mashallah, it's very good. Sir, this question I have, like along with doing all this, do we need to do any certifications as well? You said about the various ways we can justify our experience. So likewise, will they ask for like experience, like certifications also? Do we need
What
to
is
do?
your total experience?
Yes, sir.
What is your experience? Like when you pass out?
I am 2011 pass out, sir.
Okay, 11 means you you will be experienced that. So in your scenario, yes. In
Yes,
your scenario, yes,
yes, sir.
you need some certification. Maybe like do some Microsoft certification, or do some so if you have some budget, then go for Cisco or AWS. You're going to learn in the next month. So that is also the, but certification, like हम लोग बिरयानी बनाते हैं, उसके
Yes,
बाद
sir.
उसके अंदर जो सो क्या बोलते हैं, ओके, द फूड डिश विल बी देयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी पुट उसके ऊपर सलाद रखते हैं, उस डिजाइन करते हैं उसको,
जी सर,
राइट.
जी
सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द एक अट्रैक्शन रहता है उसको, तो अंदर का टेस्ट कैसा है नहीं मालूम, but that is called representation. So that representation, it will give you some highlights. So it is not compulsory, I'm telling you, it is not compulsory certificate. And even if you put in into your resume, and if you get the job, they are not going to ask you submit your
certification.
certification. Okay, if they ask, then there is an option, you can tell them, okay, in 10 days, 8 days I can provide. So you can go and write down, no problem with that. I have seen like that case. This is not compulsory. No one will ask you submit your all certification with us. No.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Anyone else?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nadeem bhai. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, new SIM is necessary.
No, no, not necessary. Like
If we have old SIM, we can use. Sir.
yeah, you can use, no problem.
Okay.
ये इसलिए बोला मैं कि लाइक हमारे व्हाट्सएप उसी नंबर पर है और फैमिली ग्रुप्स, और इट इज सर्कुलेटेड, मे बी आपका कुछ ओन बिजनेस है उसमें भी, लेकिन आपके पूरे कॉल्स उसी नंबर पे आ रहे हैं. सो टू डिफरेंशिएट दैट, इफ यू हैव डुअल सिम कार्ड एंड यू कैन अफोर्ड, देन टेक अ न्यू सिम. सो वो नंबर पे सिम 2 पे कॉल आए तो समझना कि अच्छा ये जॉब के लिए कॉल आ रहा है. Your
Yeah,
personal
yeah,
number.
yeah, sir. I have two SIMs, one for family and one for other business, like this.
Perfect. Then you use that another one for this one. Okay.
Okay.
What next?
Like in LinkedIn, we will create the account, and we have to add the people who are working in, like we have to add the HRs, all the HRs, company HRs.
Yes, you can search. See, in LinkedIn, like if you when you open, so you can search something like search something called HR. See, so you will get some HR names and contacts here. So just first connect with them. See the option, the HR Tata project. Okay, connect. Then HR connect. So if you connect few HR, then LinkedIn will give you reference. Okay, do you want to connect with their colleagues? Their colleagues like this, the network will grow. Okay, so everything is search here. You just search. Like if you want to become you want a Cisco people, so just search Cisco. Okay, or Cisco expert. Let's say experts. So you will see. Okay, can you see the people here? They are experts. Or if you're looking for a
Yes.
got a network engineers, network engineer. Just put here. So you will see a list of network engineers. Okay, so just connect them, connect, and spend some time, connect, and build your network. Right now I think I have 800 some followers. So I have a profile since 5 6 years. So the day by day I'm seeing I'm getting a request daily. Two three members are joining me because now I got some experience. But initially you need to I was looking trying to connect them. Now people are connecting. So this is how the pattern is. Okay, next question.
Okay, thank you.
Any question? Okay, perfect. So no questions. So let's conclude the session. And guys, very important. Um, when you search the job, see the job. Who is going to give the job? The Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala going to give the job. Okay. So trust Him. Ask Him. Okay. Pray and ask Him. Give me the job. Don't request any human being that give me the job. Don't cry in front of them. Don't cry in front of any human being that I am not getting job, I am frustrated. Just cry in front of Allah, because He is going to, Almighty is going to give everything. Okay. So uh, always give your best, or spend time अपने skills पे time spend करो, अपने आप profile पे time spend करो, and try to make your makeover, like your resume को अच्छा update करना. फिर गूगल पे सर्च करो, डेली 2 आवर्स दो यार, 1 आवर दो अपने आप के लिए गूगल सर्च पे. खाली दूसरे पूरी चीज हटा दो, सोशल मीडिया को बंद करो, वाईफाई बंद करो, जस्ट कंप्यूटर पे लैपटॉप पे जो जस्ट सर्च फॉर, लाइक गूगल पे प्रोफाइल बनाना. एक दिन स्पेंड करो, पूरा रिज्यूम्स को अच्छा बना लो. ठीक है, एक दिन स्पेंड करो, जस्ट आपका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल अच्छा बना लो. एक दिन स्पेंड करो, मॉन्स्टर को अच्छा प्रोफाइल बना लो. सो जस्ट ट्राई, स्पेंड टाइम, देन ओनली यू विल गेट समथिंग. ओके.
Hello,
So
sir. I have one question, sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, can we put experience in the non-technical, like any part-time job, like
Yes.
a milk vendor boy?
Non-technical, yeah, no problem. You can put, no problem. So you can put your experience, but some experience is required there in your resume, because very fresher means like they will treat you in different way. So you have some experience, and you can say it was a semi-technical. I had some technical, but most of the work was technical. But now I want to move completely into technical. I learned this courses. Now ask me any question. They will take an interview. See, HR will first call you. They will ask you. They will verify. Okay, is that you? Your qualification, your experience, and all. Whatever the you mention in the resume, HR will say, and they will say we have an opening for this position. Now I'm sending you email. Just check your email. That they will share your. So they will ask, please send your resume again. So see, in the Monster and LinkedIn or Naukri, HR is not going to download your resume. Okay, they are just saying, okay, this guy, and they will send email. They will call you. Okay, now you need to. They will ask, please send your updated resume and send your details. Okay, your current company, your current package, and this all thing, and just reply them. So they will see if they match to your profile. Then they will call you for the interview. So the first interview may be the telephonic call. Okay, it will be totally technical based. Their employee will call you, and they will ask what is your profile. They will judge your knowledge. What is DSAP? What is DNS? What is networking? What is if a system related problem? If something happened to computer, what will happen? What are your troubleshooting steps? So the n number of things. Okay, but gain the experience first. Don't तैरना है तो आपको जो है jump करना पड़ेगा. If you're sitting outside swimming pool or sea and just seeing that, and just learning that, okay, how to swim. Okay, first just do your hands like this, then your legs and all, and you're learning a lot. Okay, but the best learning is just jump into the swimming pool, jump in the sea, and then start what you learn. So this is how the job hunting is. So this is very important. So you need to don't fear. Whatever you knowledge, just start it. Go ahead. You will get. Then see, I'm telling you, when you attend 10 interviews, you will understand what is an interview. Every day, every interview is a learning. They will there you will understand how technical strong you are, what are the things you require. Everything you need to learn. Okay, then one day, inshallah, you will get the job. So this is how the process. So now do it today. Don't wait for the tomorrow. Okay, you want a job, spend the time. If you have everything, just prepare it. Do it. Don't wait for others. And no one is going to do these things for you. You have to do this, because you are going to take a job. Okay. So that's it. With this, we will conclude the session, and inshallah next week or whenever I get time. But make sure you start uploading resume by today and tomorrow, and let's see. And we will open a group. So in that group, if anyone gets some call, some email, so you can start putting into that. If some walk-ins came, post came, just put into the group. Okay, so the other people can go and join there. Okay, but first thing first, get your resume. So see, now next 1 month, you keep learning and also try hunting, because now you have two skill set with you. So now start it. Okay, so we'll continue, inshallah. Thanks a lot for that, and sorry for the disturbance in for the last meeting. What happened? So it happened, but evil is everywhere. So we need to keep safe. We need to secure ourselves and keep happy, and ask to Allah. Don't expect from Allah. Don't expect anything from any human being. No human being is going to give you a job. Allah will give you a job. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye.